It is a very easy name. It is Simon. Simon is a name that can come to comfort. Even drag you and drag